Day 20 of 365 Bible Stories. Many years went by, and Sarah had passed away. Abraham knew that soon he too would be called to heaven. Before he died, he wanted to find a good wife for his son, Isaac. Abraham called one of his most trusted servants and said, "Go to the land where I was born. My brother Nahor lives there. Find a good woman among his people for my son Isaac to marry." The servant set out on the long journey. When he finally arrived, he was exhausted from the dusty, tiresome travel. He stopped to rest near a well with his camels. At that well, a young woman named Rebecca came to draw water. The servant asked politely, "Please, may I have a drink of water?" "I'll be glad to give you a drink," Rebecca answered kindly. Then she noticed the servant's thirsty camels. Without hesitation, she filled water for them as well. The servant had brought gold bracelets to give as gifts. He placed them on Rebecca's arms. "Thank you for your kindness," he said. "Who is your family?" he asked. "My father is Bethuel, the son of Milcah and Nahor," she replied. The servant knew immediately he had found the right woman for Isaac. Not only was Rebecca generous and kind, but she was also Abraham's relative. He explained that he had come on behalf of her uncle Abraham. Rebecca welcomed him warmly and invited him to stay with her family. Join me tomorrow as we continue this journey through the Bible.